Ngatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa KT Infinity ngũnyite ugeni thiini wa video itu ya muthenya wa umuthi iria tugukorwo tukiaririria maundu ngurani maria makoretwo makihanika thiini wa nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria na ni njui ni muonete voice note ikoretwo igitrend na njira nene muno iria irari katikati ya Ndama wa Mobile Spares na Wairimu Kimani. Na thiini wa voice note iyo ni marakorirwo makiaririria maundu ngurani megie Bishop Ben. Oroho gukahuana ta Ndama ara confirm agi post iria ciakoretwo cikimikwo ni mundu uikaine ta kururia uria ni MP wa Gatundu North. And for now I don't want to dwell so much on the voice note kana kiria kirakorwo gikiariririo hau tondu ni njui ni mukoranite na videos kana voice note icio. Na Wairimu wa Kimani ni eyumirite na gukorwo agitetera na ni arakorirwo akiandika kuria thiini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ati ni ahostete two of her friends wake mucii na we ari a bit busy tondu ni arakiuga ni karati athithaga na koguo tondu arataya ni arata akoretwo atrustite kana makoretwo hamwe for more than 15 years koguo akiaria na thimu ni ekirire loudspeaker no we ndoi ati arata yake ni mamurekondagi. And so agagikorwo akiuga acio nio marekondire the voice note na nio marakorirwo makirekereria. Na niho Wairimu wa Kimani akoretwo akiuga ni araigua core muno ni gukorwo voice note we igikinyira mundu ta Bishop Ben na oroho agakiona ati andu aria oi ni atrustite muno ndaretikia ati no makorwo magika kaundu ta kau. Na niho athiete kuria thiini wa nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria thutha wa andu gukorwo makimu call out na gukorwo makimwira ndaneka wega kana ndaneka wega ni gukorwo akirelease undu ta ucio. Na agagikorwo akiuga a violation or trust from one out of two friends who are visiting me and my conversation was on speakerphone. A friend of 15 years, I know who out of the two is. I'm devastated. Konania ni aramenya no. Oroho ni gukoretwo gukikorwo na screen shots iria ciumirite thiini wa nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria of which ti ndeto njikire mukonde. Na hakawana tari conversation between Wairimu na murata ucio aragiciriria na he handu haragikinya akamwita Wambui na gukorwo akimuria the recording icio atumire u. And so hakawana ta hena contradiction tondu kurakihwana tari Wairimu wa recordire agitumira mundu ucio, you know. So conversation iyo igiflow ni aramuria atumire ungi mucio agakiuga atumire another one friend akamuria ni oi conversation ino ni kinyeire Bishop Ben na agagikorwo akimwira ni eka uru na makorana igoti na mundu ucio agagikorwo agitetera akiuga ati arakimutwara atia igoti na nioi we ndakiri na papers ya gukorwo agikara kuria mwena wa USA. And so andu magagikorwo makiuga matiretikania na ndeto iyo na makauga Wairimu ni arahitirie na njira nene muno ona nyingi agikorwo ari wiki nyumba ti wega gukorwo mundu agikira a private conversation on a loudspeaker.
Why did you decide to to have a voice? Why did you decide to have it on speaker instead of maybe with headphones?
Because I was doing other things in the background. Nilikuwa nafanya watu wanasema oh that phone is very clear, sijui it doesn't look like you're chopping up anything. I cannot convince anybody anything at this point.
Yeah, your work right now is not even to convince
I'm not going to convince anybody anything at this time. I'm not going to
tell the truth and that's it. Yeah,
I'm not going to convince anybody at the only person I owe an explanation to is Ndama.
Yes.
And the other people that are mentioned there.
Yes.
Those are the only ones who can call me niwapatie information.
Yes.
Okay? Lakini hawa watu wengine sina information yao.
Yes.
I can only come here and speak my truth, whether you want to take it or not. It's up to you. Hiyo ni yako. Sasa hiyo mimi siwezi kukusaidia. So, mimi tukaongea na Ndama. Little did I know ati huyu one of the ladies there alikuwa na record. Okay? Na nilikuja nikakaa chini. Hapo ndipo aliweka simu yake chini. So I didn't notice nilikuwa na rekodiwa. Mimi I didn't notice. I was so much drawn into the conversation that I wasn't even paying attention much. So na hiyo story ikaisha, tukamaliza what we were doing na wamama wakaenda nyumbani. So this morning is when I got a call from of course Dama na Karango. Wakaniambia, hey, have you spoken to the bishop? Nikasema mimi sijaongea na yeye. Hey, okay, well, there's some stuff going out there, and of course it's iko huko nje. So then when I heard about that stuff, remember there was 2 people in my house. Nikaenda kunini the one that I thought did it, I told her direct, hata sikupigia huyo mwingine.
Ulijua tu mwenye una suspect.
You know what, my instinct iliniambia ni huyo.
Yeah.
Ni huyo. So nikampigia simu, hakuchukua, alikuwa job usiku. So then we started hizo matext. Umeziona hizo text? Nilikutumia text.
Hata by the way nimezipost. Yeah, I posted.
Yeah. Oops. I hope I'm not going to get in trouble with my lawyer. So
no, I don't think so, because Washington State mambo ni different. New York pia ni different.
I hope you cropped out the name.
I cropped out her name. Yeah, there's no.
Tugethie kuria mwena wa Muthoni wa Kiruba uria ni murata wa gite kia mbere wa Bishop Ben uria tuwe ni akoretwo akirugama na Bishop Ben na njira nene muno, na ni mukiuyo ona riria Bishop abirie kanitha. Muthoni wa Kiruba ni akorwa akimugurira microphone ya more than 150,000, na ona riria kururia arakorirwo akiaria uria ni MP wa Gatondo North, ni mwakionire uria wa Kiruba eyumiririe na njira nene muno na agikorwo try go protect Bishop Ben. Ona riu ndatigite gukorwo protect Bishop tondu ni agikorwo akiandika kuria thiini wa nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria, na akorwo akiuga my brother ipo siku, na agekira emojis ya strong, akamuhag na nyingi emoji ya mahoya. Akagicoka akiendelea na kuga ndungiaga o kawega kamwe, agekira love emoji na agagipost bicha ya Bishop na mutumia wake Reverend Joy. Na niho Bishop nake athi kuria thiini wa mwena wa comment section, I'm sorry for that, na akorwo akiuga shule ya Mungu na ni mukiu thukuru tuthiaga guthoma na tuthiaga twina mwihoko ni tukuhituka, na koguo andu magagikorwo encourage Bishop hau mwena wa comment section, na Muthoni agikorwo nake akiendelea na comment auga hapo sasa fungua macho, masikio, mapua, nake Miriam wa Muthungu akorwo akimwira hau niho turi na we are coming out with victory, no nginya tuhituke with flying colors. Na arata na mafans a Bishop makorwo makiendelea nao gukorwo comment na gukorwo makimu encourage. And for me niguga it is good to know your friends and the people you relate with, na juge he kanyamu ndakorana nako Bishop kana Dr. Bishop JJ Gitahi akorwo akirekereria just a small video, na ningoretwo ngiciria uhoro ucio. It is a coincidence kuona ati most of the friends aria Bishop Ben akoragwo nao mabagia meta andu mararutithania wira, na igakorwo nyingi ni maingirana muno. He's good in relating with people, makahwana ta maingirana muno, na igakorwo ta urata ucio ni watikwo to the next level. Na ungirora kana ungitwiria most of these friends Bishop anatwika brand ambassador wao, na niho hatwikaga hagakinya ati ni matwika arata a Bishop, no na nyingi agakorwo ni araremwo gukorwo put boundaries ya urata ucio, ukahwana urata ucio uthiete nginya magatwika riu it's like their family. Na ngiuga ni tondu Dama Bishop abirie ta brand ambassador wake, na kururia nake mari just friends na uhoro wigie campaigns and all that go supportiana. No he handu ndirakinyire ndireciria na ndirona, na mutigake ndwire haria mutumia wa Bishop Rev Joy akorirwo akiuma thibitari thutha wa kugia kana gake gaka gagitagwo June, na nitwonire mamuinukia Dama kururia ni mabatire nginya bedroom haria kana gakomirio. Ni kumaanisha urata ucio uthiete andu acio makaingirana matire nginya na thiri. And it is good when you have friends ugagikorwo wina boundaries he haria magirwo gukinya. Ti wega gukorwo andu magitonyana muno. Na niho gwaragia uhoro wa Dr. Bishop JJ Gitahi kanyamu akorwo akipost thiini wa social media platform yake, na kanyamu gaka acaptionite akauga thiri ya urata, na agacoka akenderea akauga how to avoid pain from friends. Na ngwiciria uguo ndakorwo ngierethera, it's good to have boundaries, tondu we arauga riria muguthi kurianira nyama, riai nyama mundu ainuke gwake, tiga kwenda kumenya mundu ucio ungi muno. Na ona akaheana example ya muhiki, auga muhiki riria ehumbite nguo onagia, kana mundurume riria ehumbite nguo onanagia nginya haria arenda muone. And so ungikorwo ni urenda kwenda kumuruta nguo wone makiria, hau ni urahwana ta urakira gikiro kiria kiagirire. And so maybe I'll just post a short clip of it niguo mukorwo mukigwa ria akugite.
Andũ aya erĩ mangĩnyitana ũguo ta nĩ heo gĩcuka handũ kana tai mũndũ wĩnayo kana he gacuka kau kahũthũ good, aya ũguo marĩ manyitithanio nĩ kandũgũ, nĩ ndũgũ ĩhana ũũ ũguo, na nĩ gĩkundo kĩmohanĩtie. Mũngĩmenana horanai, fungua hapo kama mmekosana, fungua. Nĩ marekania to matikũnyitanĩte mũno, okay? No tũngĩoya cuma tũkoroge haha na thimiti na tuohe cuma na tũcinĩrĩre, andũ aya rĩrĩa makenda kuma haha nĩ moko magatinio, magatigwo hau koroga-inĩ, magathi mecio nje. Andũ arĩa manyitanaga mũno, ũrarage gwake, ũrokage gwake, ũtindage gwake, atĩ woka gwake ũthiĩ ũhĩtũkĩte bedroom, ũĩ nginya ona mwaragĩria gwake bedroom, ũmũhũrithagia nginya nguo cia mũrũme, wakinya kũmũhũraga yake nginya nguo cia mũrũme. Rĩrĩa mũkamenana tondũ nĩ mwakorogeire ndũgũ, mũtikahota kũrekania, nĩ gũtinia mũgatinia moko, mũgatũra inyuothe na injuries, mũgatũra mũtemenganĩte. O mũndũ arĩonaga kĩrema atinirio nĩ ũyũ ũngĩ. Haiya, etekagira kuharukanio undu mungitigana na mundu hatari injuries. Mkiwa marafiki na mtu toti wewe mundurume no cio ni mundurume, wewe ni mwanaume na huyu ni mwanaume, hatire soul ties, to mutige komanagia ndogo nene ni yake getita nawe muri atumia mutikomanagia, there no soul ties, ndogo nene ni yake, ndogo nene ni ya mundu na muka hiyo kubwa ati muthe patikana waraho mangitigana no mwa waumire kanitha, otherwise no ndingithomeka. Mumeingiana sana ati gutharia ndamuonia wega ikarayo kaundu kahuthu. And this, I know I'm bullying some of you now. Abo aya tungihora haha mamenaneno no meyohore, they are free. Na riria ukaha gathie ku tukingeria na riria mahano, they have a room, come, they have a room to add other friends. Matire kejine no mongerere arata ndoke, no mongerere arata ndoke ndogo ino no ithie kinene haga.
Thank you guys for watching. Na juge mundu ni akwenda amenye arata ake. Nie jugaga I don't trust even my own shadow. I don't trust even my own shadow. So you can imagine ona go trust mundu ungi ni thina. Koguo menya no urahe thiri ciaku. Thank you guys for watching. Na ndugakiriganwo ni ku like the video, drop a comment on the comment section, na tuonane ringi in the next video.